Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Akib TJ. What if I told you that sometimes, the biggest financial disasters start with excitement, optimism, and rising prices? Welcome back. Today, we're breaking down economic bubbles, what they are, why they happen, and how they eventually burst. So, what exactly is an economic bubble? An economic bubble happens when the price of an asset, like stocks, real estate, or even cryptocurrencies, rises far beyond its actual value. People keep buying, not because the asset is worth it, but because they believe prices will keep going up. It's driven by one powerful force, belief. At first, prices rise for real reasons, maybe strong earnings, new technology, or growing demand. But then something changes. Investors start chasing profits instead of value. Speculation takes over. This is where things get dangerous. More people jump in, afraid of missing out. Prices skyrocket. The media hypes it up. Everyone feels like they're getting rich. But here's the truth, bubbles are built on fragile foundations. Eventually, reality catches up. Maybe profits don't match expectations. Maybe interest rates rise. Or maybe people just start realizing the prices don't make sense anymore. And then, it happens. The bubble bursts. Prices begin to fall. Panic sets in. Investors rush to sell. And what once felt like easy money turns into massive losses. We've seen this happen before. The dot-com bubble in the early 2000s, where internet stocks soared and then crashed. The 2008 housing market crash, when real estate prices collapsed and triggered a global financial crisis. And even more recently, volatility in crypto markets shows how quickly hype can turn into fear. So why do bubbles keep happening? Because human psychology never changes. Greed, fear, and the desire to get rich quickly drive people to ignore risks. And as long as those emotions exist, bubbles will keep forming. The key lesson? If something feels too good to be true, it probably is. Smart investors focus on long-term value, not short-term hype. Because in the end, every bubble follows the same path, growth, hype, and then collapse. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple breakdowns of how the economy really works.